Hi everyone, welcome to the Electrical Innovations Guide to the Pyronix Enforcer. In this video we're going to cover how to do a walk test and just check your system's all good. Let's say you're going on holiday and you just want to double check it before you go away, or you have annual servicing but it's been 6 months or so and you just want to be sure that everything's working as it should. You can do that all from the Master Manager menu. If you've watched any of our other videos you'll know this by now, but you just press D and then put your manager code in, 4 2s out of the box, and then you're in the menu. You can press yes and no to control this menu. No if you want to skip to the next question, yes if you want to enter the sub menu. We're going to press no until we get over to walk test, and then we can go in and do the test. First thing it gives you is the option of which areas you want to test. Now there's no harm in doing all of them in most instances. There might be some occasions where you can't get into a certain area and you want to be able to test the rest of the system. You could control it from here, but generally just press yes and you're good to go. As you can see on our test kit, we've only got 2 inputs. So I'm going to trigger both them inputs now and you'll see what the panel does. First up, we're going to do our door PIR, and we're just going to open and shut the contact, and you can see that one's disappeared from the test. Next I'm going to go and trigger my PIR for the room. That was door contact, sorry, PIR for the room, and you'll see that one goes off the system as well. So now you've got your peace of mind that your system's all good. You can even test your siren if you like to. Just go in there and the siren will go off. We've not got a siren connected to our demo system at the moment. And that's it. You can whiz through to the end of the menu, or you can just press A at any time to quit.